Turkey has recently been subjected to severe storms and unstable weather conditions, leading to extensive flooding and damage across numerous cities. The city of Dalaman was particularly affected, with a sudden storm and heavy downpour causing chaos and widespread distress. Winds reaching speeds of up to 203 kilometers per h swept across the city center, bringing with them a trail of destruction. Simultaneously, an extraordinarily powerful tornado touched down in Dalaman, located in the Muğla province. This resulted in the sky turning black for several minutes. The strong winds knocked down billboards, spread debris, and shattered windows of buildings and cars. Even on the city outskirts, hail was reported, forcing residents to seek shelter indoors to avoid the tornado. Reports came in of numerous fallen pillars and trees, and even damaged buildings at the event's epicenter. Fortunately, no injuries were reported. However, such a tornado is considered a rare phenomenon for this region. If you found this video interesting and informative, we kindly ask you to consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for a wealth of engaging content. You can also help us reach more people by sharing this video with your loved ones. Together, we can expand knowledge and promote enlightenment. Take care and stay informed. These precautions were taken to protect against potential hazards due to the extreme weather conditions. The storm and heavy rain caused significant damage and disrupted power supplies in towns and villages, leading to the declaration of a state of emergency in the affected areas. Authorities reported that the storm in the Black Sea region had begun to gradually subside. Dalaman received a warning from the Meteorological Agency when the rains fell at night, causing traffic jams in some places. According to media reports, the flooding affected the Koka Petrol Kent L and Till areas, as well as the main road. Many vehicles were flooded in the Gape area, including the neighboring city's research building, which was also inundated. In addition, the workyard was also damaged. Strong winds caused many trees and plants to fall onto the coastal road, blocking the road and damaging many vehicles there. Floodwaters carried many items such as shoes, refrigerators, dolls, wheels, and crates into the city center due to the waves. Notably, the floodwaters caused a collapse. Turkey's Meteorological Agency has issued a final warning, stating that there will be heavy rain in 6 provinces in the Dalaman area and surrounding areas in the next few days. Authorities also warned residents via social media that the rain could cause canals and rivers to overflow and advised people living near rivers and basement cocoons to evacuate their homes. The party also ordered the closure of all schools if the situation does not permit it. These extreme weather conditions also created chaos across the Black Sea, causing major damage and disruption in Bulgaria. Strong winds, heavy rain, and snow caused 2 deaths, heavy damage to property, and disruption of power supplies in towns and villages. Extreme weather conditions also caused a cargo ship to crack and forced the evacuation of a prison in Truro. The country's northwest coast was affected by strong storms and strong winds, causing major flood damage in towns and cities in the central Benla district. Extreme weather conditions also caused significant disruptions in daily life, forcing authorities to postpone educational activities in some areas of the Ren region for at least a day. Local authorities and city administration warned citizens not to leave their homes. Meanwhile, local authorities are monitoring the work and developments from the AFAD Center, which operates 24 hours a day due to adverse weather conditions across the province, and are checking the river. If you found this video interesting and informative, we kindly ask you to consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for a wealth of engaging content. You can also help us reach more people by sharing this video with your loved ones. Together, we can expand knowledge and promote enlightenment. Take care and stay informed.